hope you guys are ready to play because I am Eon Gen and welcome back to Angel Engine. Now, I have the full game now, and I'm not playing the demo that I was. We're here for the jump scares. Now,
I've recorded this to be played at the event of my death. My name is Dr. Jeff Ernstman, founder of the Babel Initiative. You will hear rumors about me, about Babel 2. You will hear that we are playing God, but I assure you, we are playing human. Listen carefully. We are not heroes. We are not villains. We are technicians of the inevitable. You were selected to become the kind of person who can look into the eye of divinity and not flinch. And if you do your job, if you keep your hands steady, then the engine will run and the world will never have to end. Welcome to Babel 2.
Check your mailbox.
alright, cool. And still 1, 2, 3, 4.
Great. I can see you're familiar with technology. It's
Yes.
a valuable skill in Babel 2. In front of you is your main operating panel. From there, you can use your mechanical arm to locate defects, the tool shifter to change the active, and the emergency anesthesia button, among other features. On the left, you can see a display showing which tool you need to use at the moment. Remember to complete operations in the correct order. Finally, remember to keep track of 2 things. The first is your patient's sleep. You can monitor the sleep status on the display at the top. When it's low, open the button cover and press the button on your desk. Please use it now.
Please use it now.
You correctly administered a dose of anesthesia. This procedure ensures that the patient will stay asleep. Remember, patients build tolerance to anesthesia, so use it wisely. While operating, you will often need to change tools. Try moving the shifter.
Ugh. See, this is definitely a lot better. This is definitely better. I can't think of the word. This is a better instructional showcase than when I was playing.
Good. Now
I
try
moved
to
it
move
one
the
spot.
mechanical arm. You now know how to use the main operating panel. The second thing to keep track of is overheating. Behind you, there is a TV screen with CCTV footage on the side. Here, you can monitor your overall overheat status. Make sure to lower it from time to time. We're sure you'll get used to your new work very quickly. That's all, employee. Just remember your 3 duties. Correct deformities on bodies. Be enthusiastic and loyal. Ask acceptable questions. Good luck.
Thank you, HR company. Alrighty. Anything change? Just going to begin the operation since we know what we're doing. Give me the body. Alright. First things first, my favorite one. Ah, shit. And... Nope, that's sutures. Nope, need a little more. Damn it. I need the claw. And the laser. Boom. Okay, now this one, just the claw. Damn it. There we go. Just need a Focus. Now your kneecap. Give me your knee. There we go. Just that. Boom. Got one more body. We're already doing a lot better than the demo, so I'm proud of us. You're still a creepy motherfucker. I did not like that I heard something over here, so I'm gonna handle this really quick. Thank you. How are we doing? Oh, we're doing good on that stuff. All right. The claw. Damn it. I don't like the noises I'm hearing. And give me that. Whatever that was. Damn it. Try again. There we go. First try. Not making any changes. Oh, sweet. Sutures. Saw. Oh. Administer. How are we doing on that? Gives me roughly like 25%. I think I can work with that. The claw. Boom. We got 2 more wounds left. Sutures. I think just for a little bit of safety, I'll hit him again. Start the sutures. Cool. And now the claw. I remember that the more I hit him with the anesthetic, that the more... What's the word? I forget the word. The least effective it is on him. I've got this last one, so let me just go straight down with it. That's fine. This pops. We go... Yep, thank you for the technician one. Go... Oh, get back. That's the one we change out. Thank you. Alright, we all Gucci, we all good. Boom, that was the first one done. Now, 58351. 5, 8, 3, 5. Ah, 1. Emilio! Hey kid, just got back from my rounds. Hope you're doing alright. I can't remember if I read this one or not. I probably did. Yeah, fuck it. Run into any issues so far? Nothing major, but everything's fine now. Yeah, things can get a little weird around here sometimes. Just focus on your tasks and don't let anything get to you. What do you mean? Lots of good people have been consumed. Oh yeah, I did read this because I didn't like the way you used it. Consumed by this kind of work. You know, burnout, heart attack, level stress, going off the deep end. I'm just telling you how it is. Everything comes with a sacrifice. We're paving the way for the future generations the same way past ones have done for us. But I'd be lying if I said I didn't miss some of my colleagues. We honor them by passing their work on to smart young people like you. The Genesis, as they say. You're going to be fine. Promise. See you again soon. Alright, really quick. Operate. Number 2. Let's do this. Six bodies? Damn. Woohoo. Oh yeah, because now I gotta do that. Find out where we gotta go. Yep, everything's good. I don't like your face. Why do you have like a boar mask on? It's like a boar gas mask. And laser. Hell yeah, complete the entire body without the whole body without making a single mistake. Let's do it. And you've got a straight up gas mask. So first one, you've got 3 wounds. Sutures. Hello? I'll come back to that. Okay, good. Everything's... Oh, nope, there we go. You're about to... Thank you. I don't know. Yeah, O2 levels. Yeah, that's a little important. Thank you, and claw. Yeah, I don't know how important it is to ensure that that stuff gets fixed, like, right away. But nonetheless, I like to make sure it's fixed right away. I'm going to go ahead and hit you with that, because I know this is about to pop. Yeah, especially if it's the O2, because I know that can start to kill me. Damn it. Oh, fuck. Alright, well. Gotta wait a little bit. It's just sutures. I can get that done relatively quickly. I say relatively quickly, as I'm taking my time doing it. Let me go ahead and get down here. Yep, O2 levels again. Damn. At 9% still good. Alright, continuing on. Go ahead and hit you with that. Ooh, not so good. Laser. Okay, okay, go and grab that really quick. Once again, O2 levels. And... Damn it. Okay. Damn it. Let me just... fail a minigame 3 times in a row. Jesus. O2 levels? Ooh, nope. This time it's O2 levels, computer, and it looks like targeting. Whatever that one was. Cool. How we doing on that? 50%. How we doing on that? I can go ahead and hit him for it. Okay. Claw game starting off with. Damn it. I pressed left one too many times. Boom. There goes that one. Let me go ahead. Whoop. Grab you. And get you cooled down a little bit. Why are you smiling? Ooh, there we go. Alright. Hit you with that. Everything's showing good. Cool. Now claw. Just really got to focus in on this to get these done. And sutures. Alright, really quick. Coming down here. O2 levels. Go and swap those out. Get back on here. Over to the next one. Saw, laser, crane. Just really getting focused on this. Ooh. Feel like I almost would have hit something there. Really quick, how are we doing? Let me go ahead and hit you really quick. We're doing 51. You're about to pop anyway. Boom, get right on it. Sutures. Really just doing good. We're doing good. We're doing a lot better this time than I did the first time. Wow, lots of lefts. Sutures. Left. Right. Right. Down. Down. Right. And the saw. That finishes him off, and I can go ahead. Oh, cool. Spacebar works too to do that. Like playing Flappy Bird. Damn. 27% will work. Alright. Creepy motherfuckers. Starting off with a claw. I did not like that I heard gulping. Boom. Saw. Cool. Laser. 2 levels. Quick, let me turn around. Okay, still at 50%. We're good on that. I will hit you with a little dose of that, though. Ooh, I forgot the last one there for a second. I was a little nervous. Woo! Alright, continuing on. Good on that, and... okay, yeah, it's just O2. Sutures. Right. Down. Right. Sorry, left. Right. Left. Up. Boom. And... sutures again. Ooh. Ooh. And fan. What does the fan do? Alright, not important. How are we doing on that? 33%. Let's go and hit him again. Quickly do the sutures. Down. Left. Left. Down. That was fucking crazy. Let me try that again. Right. Right. Down. Down. Left. Up. Right. Thank you. All of a sudden, there's music in. Do that. Oh, showing red. Oh, I need lasered. Fuck, I forgot what the last one was. Ooh, can't go left and right now. Interesting. Alright. Are we looking? Okay, good. We're doing good. Looking good. Doing good. Fuck, I missed it again. I didn't... Right down right. Right, right, up, right. Up, right, down, left, down. Up, right, down, left, down. Thank you. My God, there's a lot of things to replace this time. All right, how are we looking on that? 38%, 34%. We're doing good. We're doing good. Let's go ahead and hit him with the sedative. I don't like how you have a mouth on the side of your body. Can't go left or right. And O2. Okay, let's quickly get through this. What? I only... Up, down, left, down, right. Up, down, left. Damn it! Up, right, up. Down, right, up, left. Left, right, right, up, right. Ooh, definitely gotta hit him with that. Definitely gotta do... Stop making noises. Alright. Last one I've got on this body. Hit him with that. Come on, this is the last thing I gotta do. Damn it! Decalibrated? How the... Oh, my... Oh, God, I gotta... Oh. What the hell do I do with this? Hold on. Do I bring this over here? The fuck did I just do? Oh, there we go. That... I guess I had to spray holy water on it. 58341974. 58341974. 58341974. Everything okay in here? I thought I heard something. Yeah, just me panicking. I got it under control. That's what I like to hear. If the bodies start getting up and walking around, though, make sure you use the holy water. If the what? Sorry, that was a bad joke. An old colleague of mine used to say that all the time. I've never seen it happen for myself, so I guess you can be our third pair of eyes. It might take you a while to get used to being around this much death. Some of us have never had to deal with it, but others can't catch a break. It's like it follows us everywhere. And when we finally think we're numb to it, bodies get rolled in of people you never thought you'd see again. Humans don't kill for the fun of it. We do it because it's our last resort to protect ourselves. That's a lie. Some humans do. Some humans do for the fun of it. Or maybe we just hope killing one person can bring back another. I'm getting carried away here. Feel free to interrupt me when I start yapping like this. And don't forget the vending machines are 24/7 access. Your hair looks great, by the way. Thank you. See ya. Operation 3. My goodness. Hold on. I want to see. See you there. Hold on. I gotta read all of this. This is a draft to Group Staff Angel Engine at Babel2.com. To those To those in corporate who are here to delete my account, curse you. Your machine has done nothing but let sufferers suffer. Wow. Your machine does not understand the spirits, how the spirits speak when their bodies fall asleep. You promised a genesis, but demise slowly brews. You cover your ears when they scream for mercy. Humanity won't flourish. When you when you bury your sorrows under metal and steel, you sculpt peace with hands of working men. When peace truly lies in the soil we rest in. When midnight arrives, my watch failed to breathe another second, and my heart squeezed my final wishes. I am ready. I will sleep next to my father, and you will burn in hell. Oh, thank you to Talia. I fear we seem to be running out of time to exchange our gratitude to one another. When my symptoms catch up to me, 68,000 or 86,000. Oh, wow. Urgent. Hi, Emilio. Oh my gosh, this is Emilio. I'm very concerned about the door lock for the first floor morgue. I swipe my ID and it flashes green, then red, then the door doesn't lock. I don't know if I lost access or if the lock battery is dead. Please find me. Ugh. Manual settings. Yeah, keep the jump stairs on. Alright. Alright. Doing this again. Everything's showing good. Good. 7 bodies to work on today. Aw, music stopped. I was enjoying that. Okay. You're about to do that. Let me just see if I can get these sutures done. Thank you. Go ahead and fix this. Thank you. How are we doing on heat? 34%. Doing good. New body rolling in. Go ahead and do that. Do that. Do that. Alright, and sutures? Give me the sutures. I'm locked in right now. I'm not talking because I am locked in. I won't be able to get it at that one. Damn it. I didn't get it at all. Damn it. I went too fucking early. Oh. Sutures, just in case. What are we swawing? Ugh. Oh gosh, calibration. Oh, I gotta hurry up. Oh, the oxygen. Alright, really quick, how are we doing up there? 20%. Let's go and do it again. Oh, fuck. Son of a bitch. Give me a second. Oxygen. What if I get holy watered, bitch? God, this is gonna get difficult, isn't it? Grab the last one. Fix that. Fuck. Hit him with that. Do this, because I know I'm probably gonna die at this one because fuck, I still got one more and I've already hit him so much with the fucking anesthetic that he might become used to it. Alright, one more. Oh good, and it's just that. Please let me just get through this. Damn it. Ah! I'm starting to panic a little bit. Damn it! Oh. That's it. Last one I'm going to. Oh. Oh, fuck. Oh. Alright. Let's do this. Give me the mouth. Weird mouth on the side. Do that. Give me this. That. Good. Oh my gosh. I just need to breathe. I need to take it slow. Fuck, I did too fast. Alright, here we go. Just need to breathe. Just need to take it slow, and we'd be fucking golden. Left, left, right, left, up. Left, left, right, left, up. Good, 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 good. Got 4 more wounds. Jesus Christ. Oh, that was going... Fuck. What? Oh, the calibration. Damn it. Oh, the angel escaped. The angel escaped. Oh, fuck. First time, huh? Fuck. Whew. We're probably gonna come back to that. I mean, one death this time, and I got on Operation 3. I don't know how many bodies did I do, like 2. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment, and if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna do all my heart can handle today. That's actually kind of a cool concept, and it understands why that dude right there, the angel, is being shown on that monitor, because if I cause it to overheat, then that, angel comes from me. But it makes me wonder, am I the only one down here that is working on these angels? Am I the only one responsible for maintaining the overheatness? I can't just pass it on to somebody else. I can't be like, hey, Joe from 2 rooms down, take over on overheating. Oh. But we will be back in the next video so that we can get everything squared away. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.